Guys, good morning. So I want to show you the way you can actually install your VS Code. So if you go to any browser, just type VS Code, allow it to search. Once you search, apply download in front of it. You can do this from your laptop. Yeah, so you're using a Windows, fine. You're using an Apple, fine. So from here, just click on this VS Code. So it's going to show you Windows, Apple, Ubuntu, other OS. So we are going for Windows. I'd like you to click on this system installer. Okay, just click on it. Okay, so you see your download is getting started. So if you are on a laptop, let me put it in desktop view so that you will see how it's in this. These are my desktop view. You see my downloading, the file is already downloading. Do you see that it's already downloading this? So once I finish once it's finished downloading, then run the exe on your laptop. Yes, I'm able to go. Though this is for my phone, so I don't need it on my phone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to like cancel it. So definitely should be on the laptop. You should do it. Okay. So that's the simple way of doing this installation of VS Code. Thank you. So once you do that, I'm going to send the link of this website to you. Thank you so much.